This channel has 1.3 million subscribers and more than 600 million views by posting 30 to 40 second AI shorts, earning thousands of dollars and consistently getting higher and higher views. Not only this channel, but many others are earning a lot of money by creating these AI shorts. After researching and learning a lot, I've finally created the exact process to do the same. From creating a highly engaging story to voiceover with sound effects, generating consistent character images to final editing. I'm going to create a viral short from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll become a master of short creation. This channel posts emotional, heartwarming stories, so we can generate similar ones by typing this prompt in ChatGPT. You can find all prompts and other data in the description, but here's the hack. This particular short has 30 million views, so we're going to make a similar story. To do this, we need the short script. Go to the website tactic.io, copy the short link, paste it here, and click on Get Video Transcript. Now go to the ChatGPT, type this prompt, and then copy the transcript and paste it here. Remove the unwanted part, and in seconds, it will provide you with a similar story. You can generate stories according to your needs. Okay, now we have a solid story. Let's move on to the next process. Most gurus suggest generating voiceovers from 11 Labs, but to make a high-level short, you have to do something different. We're going to generate a voiceover with more than one character voice and also includes sound effects. Go to DubDub AI.
But what's the difference?
Wait, I'm getting to it. Click on Generate Voiceover, paste the story, and here we select the most commonly used character voice, which is Adam. Select the voice and click on Multiple Voiceover. Now select the text that you want to give another voiceover. Select the text where we want different reactions, but I want a single voiceover, so I'm continuing with Adam. Now generate the voiceover.
One sunny afternoon, a woman noticed 3 elderly men standing near her garden. Curious?
Sounds nice. Go to 11 Labs, click on Generate Sound Effects, type any sound effects that you want or that are suitable for your short. In our story, we have success, so I simply type coin sound, coins blowing, money boom, etc. Check which one is perfect and download it. You can generate any sound effects according to your story. Voiceover part is done now. Probably the most crucial part of the whole process, because most people get stuck at generating similar character images or image qualities, models, etc. Because if you can generate good quality or highly scene depicting images, then there is a high chance the short will go viral. We are trying to make it easy. Go to ChatGPT once again and type this prompt. Now you have a prompt for each image with specifications. But here's the point. You can't just use these prompts to generate scene depicting images. I'll show you how to generate exact images like Living Wisdom. Go to Leonardo AI, go to Image Generation, and turn on Legacy Mode. To generate exact images like Living Wisdom, select the model Leonardo Diffusion XL, select None or General either one, then select Image Generation for it, and then select a ratio of 9:16. To go viral quickly, you have to avoid the versatile way of generating images. To generate images that suit the story and look good, you have to use your brain, so this process will be a little long. For the first image, copy the prompt and now write oil painting, high definition, high quality, and highly bright and vibrant, and hit generate. Here we got our image. This one looks good, so I'm just going to download it. You can add motion to any generated image by clicking on it, but it will come with a watermark. After image generation, I'll show you the best way to add motion to any image without a watermark later in this video. To generate similar characters, we don't need to copy the full prompt. We just need to copy actions and scenes and then modify them. Now to generate 3 men, I just give Living Wisdom's short screenshot to ChatGPT and ask it to generate the same image prompt for me, and it generates it. Now I just copy the image prompt and paste it in Leonardo, then modify it according to my needs, like removing the elderly man and making them muscular men and making them look good. In Living Wisdom shorts, the characters are shouting, so we use shouting in prompts where it suits the scene. Now we got the desired images, download them. After generating images 5 times, Leonardo will ask for a subscription. To solve this issue, log out of the account. Go to temp mail, copy the mail, click on sign up, paste the mail, and in the password field, paste the same mail. Go to the temp mail again, copy the verification code, and paste it here. Create the account, go to image generation, make the same settings again, and if you want to generate similar character images, go to image guidance, turn on image guidance, select the image, set strength between 0.10 to 0.20, and change the prompt like, they all are shouting, but I want them to be smiling for the second scene. Now we got these men from shouting to smiling. To generate an image of them saying, we can't come in, I want this in a close-up and make it up to their waist. So I typed it in. Now this one looks good, and I'll download it. Now I've told you all the methods to generate images, like image image guidance, oil painting, giving an image to ChatGPT to get the prompt, and lastly, you have to use your brain to generate images that highly depict scenes. For example, I want a woman inviting these men, so I just give this prompt and I got the image. To generate an image depicting success, I take a screenshot from the short and give this prompt, and it provides the desired prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it in Leonardo. That's how I got images. To generate prosperity, I give this prompt, and to generate joy, I'll give this prompt. All these prompts I got from ChatGPT. To generate his husband's photos, I'll give this prompt. To get more images of him, I simply edit the actions, like he is coming home. Then I typed walking through a doorway in a tired, neutral mood, and I'll get the desired image. Now the woman is telling about 3 men to her husband, so I give this prompt. When he says to invite those men, I want him to be shouting for this scene, so I give this prompt, and now I got this wonderful image. Now to generate the images of the daughter, I'll use the ChatGPT prompt, and I got these beautiful images of the girl. To show this girl shouting, I'll just modify the prompt and get these images. Now I've generated all the images using these methods. To give motion to any image, go to Runway ML, select text image to video, upload the image you want to provide motion to, click on motion brush, expand the UI, select the object with brush 1, then with brush 2. From my recommendations, do not change these settings. We want slight motion in these images, so we leave them the same and hit generate 4S. From here, you check how much process is done. Now check the video. It looks perfect, but we got a problem. We have this Runway ML watermark. To remove it, go to any eraser, click on try it on web, upload the video, select the hand tool, shift a little higher and zoom in a little bit. Then deselect the tool, brush the watermark, and click on remove object. Within a second, you got the video without the watermark, which looks so good. Download it. By this process, you can provide motion to any image and remove any type of watermark from the video. I'm going to show this part in CapCut. You can choose any editor you want. First, import all files, and then import the generated voiceover into the timeline. Select the split tool from here and remove all silences from the voiceover. To get a more natural sound, slightly overlap the clips and check that they sound natural. Now import all the images and arrange them according to the story. I generated some more images to get better scene depiction. Okay, done. Let's play it.
One sunny afternoon, a woman noticed 3 elderly men standing near her garden. Curious, she approached them and asked, "Would you like to come in for some food?"
Looks nice. Now import the sound effects that we generated, like this gate opening sound effect. I'll use it when the husband arrives home. Now this coin sound, I'll place it where the success scene comes. And this intense cloud sound we'll put where the characters are shouting. Place them where they suit. I'll provide all files in the description. Now you see the lines and shakes and shorts, so here's how you can do it too. Go to the effects, search for energy, and from these two you can use either one. Drag and drop it on the image and check how it's looking. Nice, so just drag and drop it on all images where the characters are shouting. You can add more sound effects by searching for them and placing them where you want. Now it's time to play with keyframes. You see in the shorts that their images are scaling up and down, so we are going to do the same. But in the first one, we use keyframes differently. Only in the first one. Place the playhead at the start, double click on the image, enable keyframe, increase the scale to about 250, go 5 frames forward and set the scale to 120. At last, make the image normal. So now it looks like this. Now go to the audio, click on sound effects, search for whoosh, and place it at the start. Now start applying keyframes to every single image. In the first image, we use zoom in, so in the second we use zoom out by applying a normal keyframe at the start and scaling it a little at the end of the image. So this looks like this. Now alternately apply this concept to all images. For a similar transition like Living Wisdom, go to Transition, select Black Fade, and add it to the starting clips. Make the duration around 2 to 3 seconds and then click to apply to all. All done? I think we missed something. Now the last step, subtitles. To add subtitles, first we export this. Click on Export, set the resolution according to your needs, and export it. Do not generate subtitles in this project because due to audio editing, it gives inappropriate subtitles. After export, open a new project, import the exported short, now go to text, click on auto caption, select the language, and hit generate. Now we got all the subtitles, select any subtitle and deselect apply to all. Shift the subtitle to the middle, click on font, select bangers, the same font that they use, make the font size 19 and set the character distance to 1. Now go to animation, select showing up, set the duration to 2 to 3 seconds and click on apply to all. The same subtitles are applied to all except for one thing, which is animation. To apply animation, right click on a subtitle, click on copy attributes and then paste the attributes to all subtitles. Wherever the subtitle does not fit in a single line, line, go to caption, select the caption, and press enter. Now it becomes the next one. Apply this to all. After doing all this, play the video and check the subtitle accuracy. Sometimes it's not good, so adjust the subtitle length according to the voiceover. It takes some time, but to make a viral short, you have to put in some work. Now export the video. Here's the final result.
One sunny afternoon, a woman noticed three elderly men standing near her garden. Curious, she approached them and asked, "Would you like to come in for some food?" They replied. "Is your husband home?" She shook her head. "No, he isn't back yet." The men responded, "Then we cannot come in." That evening, when her husband arrived, she told him about the men. He said, "Go and invite them in now that I'm home." She went out and extended the invitation. The men replied, "We cannot enter together." Puzzled, she asked why. The first man stepped forward. "I am prosperity." The second introduced himself. "I am success." The third said, "I am joy." "Go back and ask your husband which one he wants in your home," they said. She relayed the message, and her husband immediately said, "Let's invite prosperity." The woman suggested, "Why not success?" Their young daughter chimed in, "Let's invite joy. Our home will be full of happiness." They agreed, and she invited joy. To her surprise, all three men began walking towards the house. Confused, she asked, "I only invited joy. Why are you all coming?" They replied, "Where there is joy, prosperity and success will always follow."
If this video helps you, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. If you want to know how this guy got 100K subscribers in just 4 videos, then check out this video. I upload more videos about YouTube growth, AI tools, and other important stuff, so don't forget to tap the bell icon.